welcome back. I've got another trade secret I want to show you. It's Duragloss. Hands down, the best car detergent, period. The good thing about Duragloss is you're not going to have to use that much. You can save money by using a little as you go. So we're going to go ahead and clean up a vehicle with Duragloss. Come on, let's go. All right, that's it. Duragloss, hands down, the best soap. So if you're a professional detailer like myself and you want an app that your customers can use to book appointments, check out Baruq.tech, BARUQ.tech. They've got an app specifically designed for detailers. It's going to enable your customers to book appointments, and it's also going to give you a way to manage your appointments too. So check out Baruq.tech, BARUQ.tech. All right, so that's it for this week. Come back next week and I'll share another trade secret with you. All right, take care.